channel, The Bucket List. So this is the very first time I'm speaking on my YouTube channel, and this is amazing. So today we just had a little meeting. We prepped, and today we are doing bike riding. What's on your bucket list? My bucket list today is just doing my first bike riding, the motorcycle. So I'm very, very excited about this.
12 seconds later.
Welcome to the bucket list again. I'm here with my friend, and this is my first lesson. So she will take us through on what I first need to wear so that I can protect. Jua ni kali hapa, lakini we are here and we are starting the lesson. This is my friend Rose.
Yeah, hello guys. My name is Rose Gonjir. I'll be your instructor for the day. Okay, this is her first ride. So we'll start with the safety first. So the first thing you need is knickers. They'll protect you from getting hurt, especially when it comes to wheels. Next thing that you need will be your gloves, so that to ensure that you don't get hurt. As you can see, they have some knuckles, hard knuckles, so it means that when you grip upon the ground, you won't get hurt. The next thing in the bucket list is the reflector. It ensures visibility, especially at night, but not least you have your helmet. When buying your helmet, you should make sure that it is up to standards, so that in case you get an accident, your head won't get hurt, or it won't get any kind of injury upon any fall.
So guys, here I am, ready for the first lesson. Let's do this!
Okay, the next thing we're going to do is explain to her all the parts of the motorbike. Flasher, which is, you can call it DY205. The first thing I need to explain to her, these are your handlebars, and you will note that one of the handlebar is moving, then the other one is not moving. So the one that is moving, you'll use it for the fuel. You'll also find that you have your lights. Here there is our ignition part here. When you want to turn a car, you'll find that you have this one here. In case of your idling, you'll find that you either want your idling to be high or to be low. You'll use this handlebar here.
What is idling?
Your idling position. It is the amount of fuel you put on an engine when it is stationary, it's not moving.
Okay.
Next, we have our ignition here. Use it to ignite. And note, you cannot ignite unless it is at zero here. If it is at 1, it won't ignite. So you want to turn off the motorbike, the ignition, and you want to cut off the engine. You can either turn this key, or another way to kill the engine is through this button. Yes, this bike has 5 gears. And you find gear 1 is down. It's the lowest. Then you go to neutral position. Then you go to 2. You go to 3. Then you go to 5. Press your clutch before you put any other gear. Otherwise, it should be at neutral.
Kama gari.
Utapata the stick bits. The one you use using your hands, and there is the pedal brake. So this one is for your front wheel. So it will stop this brake, this wheel, sorry, and the brake pedal will stop the rear. So it means when you're braking, you should make sure at least you use the rear. Because if you are at a high speed and you brake using your front wheel, probably you will slide and it will fall.
Unaanguka.
Yeah. Here we have our crash bars. Crash bars. They are mainly used to ensure that when you fall, you're not going to go up. If there's anything to the side, the first thing that will break is the crash bar because it needs to.
Before this is the first thing that itaanguka. It a break before body ya nini.
Then we have our lights. We have our headlights here.
How do you indicate with these ones?
Okay. There's this one. This one is to the
right
and then to the left.
When you are indicating that you're showing the other driver where you're going, so this is where you indicate. This is to the right and this is to the left.
That's all for the parts. We can go ahead to the balancing part. You have to hold the clutch every time when you're starting the bike or if you're changing the gear. Okay, right now use your key to start. We are at gear 1, meaning that if you press the ignition key, it won't work. So you have to use the gear lever to go to gear
neutral.
Then you press the ignition key.
Haya, umewaka.
No, when you're at neutral, there's no movement at all. The next thing, press your clutch. Go to gear 1. Do not release that clutch. Okay. So start releasing very slowly and do not remove your feet from the ground.
So guys, we are done with the first class. I'm proud of myself. Ilikuwa ngumu but tumewezana nayo. Guys, take risks, live life, enjoy life. Please subscribe, comment, like and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.